Very early in life, the entire family moved to Mohali so that he could be very close to a cricket stadium. Took up a rental accommodation very close to the stadium so that he could come and play cricket. He did not let them down from the time we saw him play for India as an under-19 player. He's grown very well. He's only 17, so probably looking all right.
शॉट
111 बॉल मध्ये 100 अगोदर किती 2-3 बॉल अगोदर समजतंय